He's watching, boys. He's watching. He's waiting for the next one to show up. Alright, guys. I'm just gonna wait and see what happens. Hopefully they come back. I want my birdies to come back. Oh no, a big truck's coming. I hope the birds will come back. Hey, Bubby, hope the birds will come back. Yeah. Oh, what that? Is that a big old truck? What you looking at? Oh, Mommy's got to pick that up. Mommy got to pick that up. It's not a worm. Oh, the fireflies are starting to come out. Oh, you heard that one. I heard that one. Okay, guys, the stuff's starting to die down. Oh, we're going back in the house. And today I'm done. Bye.